What is up, everyone? Today I'm doing something a little different that's not going to a racetrack, but it is racetrack focused. I'm just not at one. I am going to start working on my 330i, my little E46 I got here. Cudda Built Performance actually hit me up, and they're like, hey dude, get you on the team, get you running right, get you sliding right. So today, I'm just going to hang out with my homie Cudda, and they're all the boys from CB Performance, and we go get this bread. That's what drifting's all about. Helping your boys out and just sliding around having fun. But yeah, let's get it, y'all. It's my boy Touche.
Yeah. Did a Neil,
How
man.
you doing?
I'm chilling, man.
Oh, where we at? Where we at? Tell them where we at.
CB Performance, man. We in the garage. Yeah, perfect style. You already know.
Shit. We got the 330i here with CB Performance. I'm gonna do some work on it. Got my boys back there. What up, players? So I'm gonna do some shit today, boys. Let's get it, Cudda.
Let's go.
We're taking out the oil pan. We're pretty much trying to get to a nut right here. So we got to pretty much do a lot of steps right now. He's taking out the tie rods to get the fucking steering rack out. Then we got to pretty much, well, we're not going to drop the subframe because I heard it's an easier way. I fucking dropped my subframe on some shit and it just took way fucking longer. But like, just little steps. We're going to trying to get to this fucking oil pan and just with a BMW, you always gotta go through it. Pretty much, yeah.
Yeah, some of these things are fucked.
Nah, I mean, it's still nice, bro. It's still clean. Ain't nothing rusted.
Oh, here's my O2 sensors.
Fuck it.
So they're not even like this one doesn't even have a plug to it. It's just hanging out.
I feel you.
So I mean, I don't even know O2s.
I will.
Got the oil pan out. Just hanging at the bottom. But now we gotta weld that fucker on right now. It's gonna be fun. Shit. A big problem.
It's not a big problem. It's all in saving the motor. Because these nuts like to back off at high RPMs. And this is basically the lifeline of your motor. That nut comes off, your motor locks up, you're done. So most people will safety wire it. I like to just tag it, call it a day. I can't imagine having wire all around here where the chain is. No one has a problem, but I'd rather tag it. Mine's been doing fine. Lorenzo's.
It's just a peace of mind, right?
Yep.
Actually,
We're good. I love this welder because it runs on 220 and or 110.
Hell yeah, dude.
Whoa.
She dirty.
Not only that, but I have 2T on, so when
Ooh.
you tap the trigger twice, it'll just auto feed.
Uh-huh.
Yeah. She was auto feed for a while.
Nice.
I didn't like that. He got away from me. Got a little nervous, bro. Got a little nervous. But she welded though. She ain't going nowhere. She Gucci. It don't take well like a baby, basically a tag.
Uh-huh.
You don't
Nice.
have to put a big bead all the way around it.
Nice. Oh, you're just welding the nut to the nut. The
bolt.
Yeah.
To the
Oh,
stud.
you were welding the bolt to this thing, right?
No, not the pulley. You just
Oh.
want to keep the nut from backing off the stud. That's it.
Oh, dang. Oh, I seen.
All the work, all this disassembly work just to do that.
Mm-hmm.
But that will save you from blowing up your motor and having to pull the motor out and then go buy another motor.
Oh, snap.
So now you can bounce off the limiter all you want and you're fine.
Don't tempt me.
As long as you got oil in your car, of course.
Right on. Hell yeah. This car's gonna be on the track soon. I could feel it. Soon. Actually, July 2nd. July 2nd is my first day with the car.
All right.
You
Sitting
want to
there
make
putting
sure
the
you
RTV.
make sure you never leak, bro. Never.
Yep, exactly.
You know these beamers leak all the time.
Awesome shit. So right here we sitting there spreading the RTV mainly on this black little seal right here, so we can get that full, full effect. You know what I'm saying? We gotta get it to seal everywhere, cause like this car gonna get hot, oil gonna get hot. You know what I'm saying? It's gonna be a lot of pressure. So make sure the shit got really sealed.
Pressure? Oil pan's not supposed to have pressure unless you got blow by, baby.
I mean, well, shit, nigga, you know some shit.
You might want to go back to the Google machine and make sure you check your facts, because you're going to give wrong information out,
I mean,
baby.
it's still gonna get hot and it still can start leaking on some shit.
I don't know. So that means your oil pan going to cry like a mother.
Ah, for real.
Everybody start leaking.
We're good. We're good to go up. This is considered overkill. But I'd rather overkill than
No kill.
be coming back, putting this thing back on the lift because, oh man, we should have sealed it.
Do it once, do it right. Be alright.
Some shit.
Got more racks around here?
Like, the rest were alright. He got broken bones and everything.
It don't even matter. That motherfucker
You know
still
why?
going.
That silicone got you covered.
Yep, the gray one too. Gray silicone.
Yeah.
No other color.
Silicone is a lifesaver. I don't like that black shit. It says it's for oil, but it feels like garbage. Do not disturb the gas. Nice and smooth. Wait. Go outside the dipstick.
Outside? Oh, outside the dipstick. My bad. I was trying to get the dipstick.
Slide it on in. Don't make contact yet.
It's gonna hit the tranny.
You said you like what?
Chain too. Let's go hit the chain right here.
Oh, snap.
It's just enough to get it past it.
Yeah.
Alright, how's that?
We can
Past
go.
it?
We can go up but twist a little bit.
Hold on, we gotta get the dipstick too. Where'd you put that rag, bro?
Right here on the
This
lift.
nigga put the rag fucking 600 feet away. What the fuck? Some guy named Omar put that wire up there like that.
God damn it, Omar.
Damn, Omar.
Damn, you got some good little fucking motor mounts, right?
Hell yeah, dude.
Condor, baby.
You already know.
My brother mad because I'm going with garagistics. He like, oh, you a fucking rich bitch.
I'm not mad at all. Alright. Let's get it in the hole.
Damn, man, that's why you having
forward,
trouble getting it in the hole?
Huh?
Go forward. We ain't got no
There we go. Alright, we can go up now.
I can't go straight on up.
Yep, it'll take 3 people to do an oil pan.
Woo! And there goes my fingers in the process.
You good?
Yeah, I'm cool. Keep it up, keep it up. You don't want to keep distorting the silicone. Where's my test?
5 people for oil pan. Has to be African Americans and 1 Hispanic. Yes, sir. Racism still does exist, sir.
We'll be here in 10 minutes.
And we not gonna act like we don't know it
That's all
don't.
good.
I know.
So,
Worst
yeah.
case,
No, wait.
No, if Omar gets trapped, I'll just let him take my car home. Because the taco guys, they stayed till like midnight.
You got another hour.
They blocked the whole driveway too.
Oh, no way.
Go get some.
Got another hour.
Oh, some shit. I want me a potato, nigga. You already know. It's been a while.
That nigga just had, hey, that nigga just bust a nut, huh? That nigga don't want potato.
Hey, it was the same thing when he seen Steezy Weaver at the track.
This nigga got
Oh no! Oh no! Niggas in groupie mode.
He was like, oh my god, it's Steezy.
Wait.
I said, why don't you go over there and talk to him? On some shit.
Shout out to Steezy, man. Hey, Cudda Performance, nigga. You already know what's happening. Go sideways. I don't give a fuck what he say. Shit, all the everybody trying to act black now. Nigga, it's cool to be black. It's cool to say nigga. It's all that shit.
Yeah,
Shit, I can show they ass a whole different lifestyle, nigga, and I can say what I'm saying.
He just messed up the whole video.
I sure
I guess I
did.
know actually what to believe. I don't know where it is.
I sure did.
All you go here.
Cudda Bill Performance, baby. You see the shirt.
That'd be funny.
Shout out to Monster Performance Inc. Yep. You already know what's happening. Yeah, baby.
What's that?
That's NH Tim.
Oh shit.
Are you alive?
Back to the Future.
Don't tell me this is gonna be the sixth person on the oil pan. Do not tell me this finna be number 6 on the oil pan.
You gonna take a boat so you can be number 6? I feel that. I'm about to walk to the liquor store in a second.
Yes, you is.
I told you, I got 10 on it.
No. Oh,
That's
some
not your
shit.
budget.
That shit got done pretty quick, huh, Omar?
Right.
Sheesh. Bolts all tightened up.
Hell yeah. Oh, missing a motor mount over here. We'll find it. We'll find
We'll
it.
get it.
We'll find it.
I got
Yeah,
you. I got you.
we'll find it.
No, I got it.
No, not a motor mount, a bolt for the motor mount. Yeah, we'll get it.
I got it. Don't worry, I got you.
But hell yeah. Ow, fuck. That's like the 5th time already. We got the oil pan in now. we got the oil pan in. We got the oil pump nut welded. The 330. Jeremy. It's going to be a little better now. Thanks to all the homies over here at Cudda Bill Performance getting this little guy done. Gonna keep putting some work in and continue doing what we do. Sheesh. I'm gonna be able to see at night now. Hell yeah. Getting Jeremy all buttoned up over here. He's gonna about the garage. He's gonna be running a little better. Just a little. Just a little. Don't see me. Shit, you already know, player. Well, we ain't.
3,500. I know what LS.
Shit.
You go ahead and sit in that thing.
Oh, I can sit in it now? Oh, dang.
And put it next to yours. You scared to move it?
Oh. Hold up.
Some shit.
Where do you want me to put it?
Man behind the camera now.
Oh, put this next to you?
Yeah.
Next to you.
Oh, dang.
You get to get some full experience.
Oh, dang.
It's on floor. You'll go through that fence down there. Ain't doing that. You can slip in there. Or do you need extra space?
No, it's fine now. Oh, snap. Oh, snap. Ooh. That light's kind of intimidating.
Alright, now clutch in. Alright, obviously you know that. Flip the first switch that says ignition.
Right here?
Oh shit, my bad.
Stop.
Yeah, and then hit the black button. It's in gear right now, so be careful. Now just back it up next to yours. You know where reverse is. Stay short. Or actually, 5, whatever. Don't worry about the water. I don't care. Go ahead. I already told you. My bad.
Look at that nigga smile. Look at this smile. Oh, some shit.
Flip the switch down. Up, flip the ignition switch down. Put it in gear so it doesn't roll. You're good.
Ready?
It's a little dirty, but you can get some photos. Clutch.
Hey Timmy, say hi to the camera.
How you guys all doing?
I want to get out.
Uh,
Oh, dang. That feels like a car. Oh.
how stiff is the damn clutch, bruh?
Dude, it feels like the Z.
Bruh.
Oh, that feels so good.
Sheesh.
I'll get here. How's your boy gonna get out?
Brake booster.
I need the cooler missing. Be good.
Oh yeah, I don't know how to stop it.
No, you're good. All right. Where's Cudda? I need him to tell me about this car.
Oh, it's just a fucking trooper.
It's just a trooper. It lasts, it handles, it goes.
Open the truck. You can open the truck.
Yeah?
It's not last or anything.
Oh, dang. Shit, race club doing some clean welds on this. And this piece hunko junk. It'll get there. Everything with time. Another my little drip journey's taking me here. I'm gonna keep going. But I'm gonna call it here. Go party with my boys. And this is just the next step. See y'all next time. Peace.